This is my first unboxing video. Give me a moment to... Just, okay. There we go. Got that removed. Come on. Hold on. Let me get that. Trim engine. You really know how to box it up. Maybe need to, there we go. As you can see, it's finally here. Oh, nothing to see here. Oh, you can still do that. Here we have, and what else we got here? Another piece of styrofoam. Get out there, Henry. Get out there, Henry. There we go. There we go. Henrietta is out. And I swear there's a white car there. Just there. Look at that face. There we go. See, as you can see, I finally got what I need for my collection, my Thomas collection. So if you want to see more unboxing videos, hit that like button, and I'll probably make one of those in the future. As always, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, you're probably wondering when I'll be inserting the battery. Pretty soon when I find the C battery.